What you notice that the more hours you work, the more money you earn, or the more kilometers you drive, the more fuel you use. This predictable link is called direct proportion. It's the simple, steady math where two things grow or shrink together at a constant rate. If you double one, the other doubles too. But for a relationship to be truly directly proportional, it has to follow a few strict rules. First, it must pass the zero rule. If you work 0 hours, you earn $0. A taxi fare that starts at $5 just for getting in, that's not direct proportion because it doesn't start at 0. The relationship has to begin at the very beginning. Second, there's a secret number called the constant of proportionality, or K. It's the unit rate, the price for one. If you earn $60 for 4 hours of work, you can find K by dividing the money by the hours. 60 divided by 4 is 15. That's your constant, $15 per hour. With that number, you can predict anything. The pay for 10 hours? 15 times 10 is $150. Visually, it's even simpler. A direct proportion graph is always a perfectly straight line that starts from the bottom left corner, the 0, 0 point, and shoots upwards. The steeper the line, the bigger that constant K is. A line showing the cost in expensive toys would be much steeper than a line for cheap candy. This all comes together in problems like this. If 6 cupcakes cost $18, how much do 10 cost? First, find the cost of 1 cupcake. 18 divided by 6 is $3. That's our K. Now multiply that by how many you want. $3 times 10 cupcakes is $30. That's the unitary method, and it works every time. So, direct proportion isn't just a math lesson. It's the logic of fairness and predictability. From recipes to road trips, it's the simple rule that governs steady growth all around us.